Tip number 12, don't get caught up in the shiny object syndrome. Marketing on all social platforms, including search engines, and your website can get so overwhelming. And we understand that. We've been doing this for 24 years. You are hustled daily on shiny new ways to advertise or manage your business. So what should you do? Well, what I would do is I would find a group or a course or even a mentor to guide you. Someone that you know, you like, and you trust. Doing online advertising yourself can be done, so do your research, find a course that can help you. So if you like what you've seen in these tip videos that I've done, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified when we release our new course just for businesses like you. Thanks for watching.